I'm sure you've heard the news. Everyone's talking about ONMD and NKTR lately. These two stocks have been making waves in the financial world, and for good reason. But what's the real story behind the buzz? Are they truly worth your investment, or are they just another flash in the pan? Today we're diving deep into the details to give you a comprehensive look at what's going on with these companies. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get into it. Are they the next big thing or just more hype? Let's unpack the facts in less than 90 seconds. Well, maybe a bit longer because there's a lot to cover. We'll look at their business models, market potential, recent performance, and the risks involved. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether ONMD and NKTR deserve a spot in your portfolio. First up, OneMedNet, ticker ONMD. They're all about medical data. Think unlocking massive piles of health info for researchers and hospitals. This is a field that's growing rapidly as healthcare becomes more data-driven. The ability to analyze large datasets can lead to breakthroughs in treatments and patient care. ONMD aims to be at the forefront of this revolution by providing the tools and platforms necessary for effective data utilization. Sounds fancy, right? But here's the catch. They're still a tiny player, and the big dogs in healthcare tech move fast. Companies like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are already heavily invested in healthcare data analytics. ONMD has to compete with these giants, which is no small feat. They need to carve out a niche where they can offer something unique or superior to what's already available. Can ONMD carve out its own slice of the pie? Maybe, but right now it's a risky bet. Kind of like betting on the nerdy kid at dodgeball. Sometimes they win, sometimes not so much. The company has shown promise with some early partnerships and pilot projects, but it's still in the early stages. Investors need to be cautious and consider whether they're comfortable with the high level of risk involved. Next, Nektar Therapeutics, or NKTR. These guys work on innovative drug treatments, especially for pain and cancer. Their pipeline includes several promising candidates that could potentially revolutionize treatment in these areas. The company has a strong focus on research and development, which is crucial in the biotech industry. However, this also means they burn through cash quickly, and their success hinges on the approval and commercialization of their drugs. That's a huge market, but recently, their stock's been more like a roller coaster. Lots of ups and plenty of stomach-churning downs. The volatility can be attributed to various factors, including clinical trial results, regulatory decisions, and market sentiment. For instance, a single piece of news about a drug trial can send the stock soaring or plummeting. This makes NKTR a high-risk, high-reward investment. They've got some cool science, but FDA approvals and clinical trials can take years. The process is long, expensive, and fraught with uncertainty. Even if a drug shows promise in early trials, there's no guarantee it will make it through the rigorous testing and approval process. This is a significant risk factor for investors, as delays or failures in clinical trials can have a substantial impact on the stock price. During this time, the company needs to manage its finances carefully to avoid running out of cash. They often rely on funding from investors, partnerships, or grants to keep their operations going. This can lead to dilution of shares, which is something investors need to be aware of. On the flip side, if they do succeed, the rewards can be enormous, both for the company and its shareholders. Bottom line, both stocks have big dreams, but buying in now is risky. ONMD and NKTR are both in industries with enormous potential, but they also face significant challenges. It's essential to weigh the potential rewards against the risks and consider your own risk tolerance. Are you willing to take a chance on a high-risk, high-reward stock? Or do you prefer more stable investments? If you're looking to invest, make sure you're cool with a bumpy ride, or just watch from the sidelines for now. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's crucial to do your homework before making any investment decisions. Keep an eye on the latest news, financial reports, and market trends to stay informed. And remember, it's okay to sit out and wait for a better opportunity if you're not comfortable with the current risks. Stay smart, and don't forget to smash that follow for more quick stock breakdowns. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of investing with clear, concise, and actionable insights. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, our goal is to provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions. So, hit that follow button, and let's continue this journey together.